is speed and velocity. So what is the difference between speed and velocity? Now if it talks about speed, it talks about distance that the body moves in a unit time. So therefore, speed is a scalar quantity. Alright, so the SI unit for the speed and velocity is meter per second. Now how about when they say velocity? Now, in the distance that body moves in this unit time that associated with direction, it means that it has additional point in direction, therefore that is velocity. So velocity is a vector quantity since it has direction. But if it talks about no direction, it's a magnitude only, that would be speed. For example, 5 meter per second, that is speed. But 5 meter per second east, that is what called velocity. Now, if you talk about average velocity, it talks about average speed, rather, it talks about total distance over total time. So for example, average speed is equal to change in distance over change in time. So the average speed is equal to final distance minus initial distance over final time minus initial time, or that would be distance over time. Next one, how about for the average velocity? We have total displacement over total time. So the average velocity is equal to the displacement over time. Now for example, take a look. Every morning, you jog around 250 meters at a track and oval. So 4 times. So in 30 minutes. So what is your average speed? And what is your average velocity? Now for letter A, average speed first, the total distance you have jogged is 4 times 250. So you have 4 times umikot sa oval, and at oval na yun ay may rong suka na 250 meters. Therefore, 4 times 250 meters is equals to 1,000 meters. Now, we have the distance over time. So we have 1,000 meters over 1,800 seconds is equal to 100 by 180 is 0.6 meter per second. So this is our average speed. How about for our average velocity? You have the resultant displacement. Why? Since you are back to where you started, therefore, your average velocity is 0. Okay.